Chosen one, listen carefully. What I am about to reveal is not casual, it is urgent. The silence you felt for so long is over. Heaven has broken through, and the truth you have been waiting for is finally here. For months, maybe years, you wondered if God had turned away, but now the silence is shattered. His voice thunders with compassion, with clarity, and with undeniable authority. This is not coincidence. You are here because the truth was meant for you. Right now, your spirit is being positioned to hear what will not only change your perspective, but redirect your destiny. If you believe this message is for you, pause for a moment. Comment 77 in the chat as a signal of recognition, a declaration that you are ready to receive. Hit like to seal this moment of connection and subscribe so you remain aligned with every revelation ahead. This is not just another video. This is a holy interruption, a turning point in your story. God has decided nothing will be left unsaid. For years you felt unseen. You asked, does anyone notice my struggle? Does anyone understand my pain? And today heaven responds. God bends low, not with guilt, but with deep compassion. He whispers to you, I am sorry, I saw it all. Every sleepless night, every tear shed in silence, every prayer that seemed to bounce off the ceiling, none of it was wasted. Your pain was sacred, every moment recorded in eternity. This apology is not weakness, it is recognition. God is affirming that you were never abandoned, you were never overlooked, you were being prepared in silence for what is about to bloom in the open. Picture it, the creator of heaven and earth reaching down, cupping your face and saying, I know, I saw, and I never left. Let this truth sink into your soul. If you believe this resonates, type, I receive in the comments. Share this with someone who needs to know that their pain was not in vain, because your testimony will become a lifeline for others. And this is only the beginning. If heaven's apology shakes you, what comes next will ignite you. Chosen one, pay attention. Heaven has marked a timeline for your transformation, not months, not years, 10 days, 10 doors. Behind each door is a revelation, a shift, a layer of the new you being unveiled. This is not symbolic fluff. It is divine scheduling. God is saying, in the next 10 days, you will not be the same. Day 1 will ignite identity. You will finally see yourself as God sees you, chosen, capable, worthy, unstoppable. Days 2 through 5 will demand action. Each step of obedience you take will unlock opportunities that seemed impossible before. Day 6 through 9 will be filled with divine encounters in your dreams, in your thoughts, and in your heart. Messages too clear to ignore. Answers too precise to dismiss. And on day 10, the unveiling, the question marks that haunted you will dissolve. The clarity you begged for will descend like light breaking through a storm. This is not a suggestion. It is an invitation. If you are ready to step into this 10-day journey, declare it in the comments with the words, I'm walking through. Seal your commitment with a like and subscribe so you do not miss the unfolding of each step. 10 days, 10 doors. Transformation is no longer a distant hope. It is your immediate reality. And as we move forward, you will see that even the mark on your hand, the symbol etched into your very body, carries divine meaning for this season. Chosen one, look closer at your own hand. For years you may have noticed the faint lines forming what looks like the letter M. Perhaps you dismissed it, thinking it was coincidence, or maybe you never paid it much attention. But hear this now, it is not random. It is a seal, a mark of destiny, a sign that heaven placed on you before you were even born. That mark whispers of mission, mantle, and miracle. It is a spiritual seal that testifies to who you are and what you are called to carry. When God inscribes something on your very skin, it is more than a symbol, it is a declaration. That M is not just a line, it is a portal, a gateway of divine authority. When activated, it awakens discernment, vision, and supernatural strength. You may begin to notice your intuition sharpening, your dreams carrying weight, your presence shifting the atmosphere in a room. Imagine your hand stretching out, and with a simple touch, peace begins to settle or clarity breaks into confusion. This is not imagination. It is destiny manifesting. The world will start to respond differently to you because heaven already has. Pause for a moment and look at your hand right now. Do you see it? Do you feel it? If you do, write in the comments, marked by destiny. Let others know that you carry this seal too. And if you feel uncertain, keep listening because soon the fog will lift and the map will unfold. You've walked through seasons where every step felt uncertain, like wandering in a dense fog with no compass. You begged for signs, for direction, for confirmation. Sometimes you followed whispers, sometimes you stumbled through silence. But this new season is different. God is no longer just giving you hints, He is becoming the map Himself. Picture it, a foggy forest path where the mist begins to thin. Slowly, the light pierces through, illuminating the way. That light is not just guidance. It is His presence walking ahead of you, leading you with peace that surpasses logic. You won't need to force doors open or chase after endless signs. Instead, you will feel a steady hand holding yours, pulling you forward into certainty. This clarity is not fragile. It is divine alignment. Suddenly, you will understand why some people had to leave, why some doors remained closed, and why certain seasons tested you so deeply. Every delay, every detour, every heartbreak was preparation to ensure that when the fog lifted, you would recognize the true path instantly. No more wandering, no more confusion. God is saying, "Follow me," not just as guidance, but as leadership. You will move with confidence even when you do not see the full picture, because His presence is the picture. If you are ready to walk out of the fog, type clarity in the comments. Like this video to declare that confusion no longer rules your life. And subscribe so you don't miss the next unfolding revelation, because ahead lies not only clarity, but promotion. The test you endured has proven one thing: you are ready. Chosen one. Hear this clearly: you did not fail. You did not collapse under the weight of the fire. You endured, and heaven has recorded your perseverance as proof. Every trial you faced was not to destroy you, but to reveal you. You've been tested in silence, refined in fire, and now heaven declares you passed. Picture a warrior standing at the end of battle, bruised but unbroken, scarred but standing tall. That is you. And now the crown is lowered onto your head, not because you were perfect, but because you were faithful. Promotion in the Spirit is not about applause from people, it's about recognition from heaven. God says, "I can trust you with more vision, more influence, more responsibility." This is a divine commissioning. You are being promoted into a role where your words will carry weight, your presence will shift atmospheres, and your testimony will unlock courage in others. The wilderness was your classroom, but now the platform awaits. Type "I passed" in the comments as your declaration. Let the community of chosen ones know that you stood the test. Like this video if you're ready to step into promotion. Subscribe to walk with us into the next level of revelation, because the silence is over and your mission is only beginning. Chosen one, listen closely. The silence has ended. The fog has lifted. The crown has been placed. Nothing has been left unsaid. God has spoken into your pain, your questions, and your destiny. You are no longer wandering in uncertainty. You are standing at the threshold of purpose. From this moment forward, you walk differently. You rise differently. You carry yourself as someone who knows the heavens are backing every step. This is more than comfort. This is commissioning. God's voice is no longer distant whispers, but daily dialogue. He is not leaving gaps in your story. He is filling them with light, clarity, and undeniable truth. Your mission begins now. To live as a chosen one, to shine where others hide, to speak when others stay silent, to walk with authority when others hesitate in fear. Your scars are no longer signs of suffering. They are proof of survival, blueprints of wisdom for those who will follow you. So here is the call. If you're ready to begin your mission, type 77 in the comments. Let this number be your beacon, your confirmation, your agreement with heaven's timing. Like this video as a seal of your readiness. Subscribe so you remain connected to every truth that unfolds. And if this message has touched you deeply, consider supporting with super thanks, not just as generosity, but as a declaration that you value the mission you've been entrusted with. Chosen one, the time for silence is gone. The truth has been spoken, nothing left unsaid. Your new life begins now.